It's gonna be fun for me.
I think it's too fast.
Yeah, we can fix that.
Yes, look at here's the issue.
That car reminds me of the Wraith right there.
They gotta lose the front.
Yeah, I know.
It's
terrible. It's terribly loose.
You see if I take this down. I have other springs with I can double up the springs. Oh, that's still better.
Where am I even? I don't even know where I am. Oh, I'm right there.
Oh, that's a good picture. Thanks.
How much your buy-in is going to be. And as a little guy, I'm hoping more towards the 3,500 than the 30,000. I don't know where I'm going that far. So right now, Horizon Hobby is exactly on our horizon. But I mean, we work on everything. We can get parts for everything. If it's a brand that we don't carry, like Karma or Axial, we do a lot of the aftermarket stuff, and a lot of people prefer the aftermarket. So, we try to carry a pretty decent array of parts for multiple classes.
Sorry. Sent him my information, made the initial purchase, which wasn't that bad, and well, I'm off and running as an official authorized dealer for them. So, yeah.
You guys all get a picture, of course.
Okay, hang on.
You can go right there, just back of the camera.
Well,
She had a picture of their vehicles together.
the weather, you know, but in the winter time, you get the hitch. You can come in, you can crawl anytime you want. You can do it.
You okay?
Yeah, we try to do crawl cones.
Nice. Good.
Every double one.
Durable frame.
Our first one, we had about 25 entries.
It's durable.
Yeah, yeah. Trying to figure out getting it covered. We had in our first comp a 4-year-old. Kid was insane. I mean, he's on the run.
Look at how that whole
He's
thing
into it, and
just
the
leans.
that race, the kid was just incredible. He ended up getting to go to work for the week. Just because he was just so into it, and it was great. Can I help you? Yep, yep. Okay. Thank you, sir. You got it, thank you, guys.
Whoa! Do a flip.
Does he have shot put over here?
Yeah, he's so shock well. I gotta get 30. We need a 30 weight or 35 for the TRX4.
It's been sitting here.
Heads up.
Yeah, you probably don't even need them because of how long your shocks are.
Yeah, it's,
The pumpkin. There we go. The pumpkin drives me insane.
so 30 week?
Yeah, or 35.
I'll buy that.
35 for crawlers too. Ooh.
Thank you. You too, have fun.
Hey Bryce,
Yeah.
they got 30 or 35, what do you want?
I don't know. I don't know which one's better for one-time crawlers.
One, you need for 118?
Well, the $62,000 question really with that is how much rebound do you want? How much do you want your piston to run in and out? How easily do you want it to have some resistance? Most guys, or a few guys at least that I know, run in their big rigs, and I think even in their smaller rigs, 25. Because they want that quick reaction from the piston.
I gotta get my tiers for it to be a better crawler. It's not the best crawler. It's more of a trail crawler. It does some good crawling, but the G5 everybody can have the best of it.
Yeah, that's quite the servo.
Yeah, those are like the really good ones. They're probably fast too.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Times, torque, speed. So, 11 seconds. 0.195, 0.95. Yeah, 0.08 at 8.4, 0.095 at 7.4, and looks like 0.11 at 6. Yup.
Is there a good one over here? Yeah. What was the same guy just we have all week?
What's that?
Oh, okay, nice. Wait, is it that six, right?
No.
Right here?
This?
And those, look at that.
No, that was right there. You put it right there.
Oh, that's 32. Fine. It's not looking very yet. There's not much of slack if it's very yet. I have a question. Do you have that one-time crawler in stock?
The Ridge Rock,
Yeah. Okay.
top shelf over. Okay.
Okay, chat, we're picking up a new car soon. It's gonna be a Red Cat Ridgeline, one of those. So, that's great. Gonna be better than the G-Wagon for crawling. Much better. But this is a fun course for 1/18th, 1/24th scale. It's a lot of fun.
What are you
Nothing. Yo. Yo, I'm in the crawling room. Crawling. Yeah.
Game starts in 15 minutes.
Okay.
We got back in.
I want to see. Yo, Dad. Dad. Can we see how your S6 put up quick?
Not right now.
Okay, we'll probably be back tomorrow.
Yeah, but pack up my truck and bring it back up. I think
Okay. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.